Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and we have to do some programming, computer update for the code P0101 air volumeter sensor and Judder code. Now we're using console 3 plus. Ignition is on, battery charger is on, and let's go into the first step. Let me turn all the load off. Okay, I'm gonna turn the load off. It's here, and then this one also is the light is reflecting there. But I'm gonna click on Nissan Console 3 Plus, and we wait a little bit to do the reading of the computer. As usual, we talk about updating the engine computer. It's better to have the dealer tools all the time to get the programming and diagnostic correctly. Right now we have to do one job first, which is reading the software. Okay, I'm not able to connect with the software. Let me see, maybe it's not, let me connect it well. I don't know why I'm not able to communicate with the module. Maybe because I connect the USB before I connect it to the car, but that's okay. So let's see again. I'm supposed to be able to communicate with the interface, and it shouldn't take long. I have to open the setting, and then I have to do the connection here. I say connect. It's supposed to be there already. So now I'm going to diagnose one system, transmission, when you try to work on those cars, sometimes it gives you a hard time. But first I want to do the transmission Judder code for 2015 Pathfinder, and then I will come back for if there is an update to update it. Okay, let me see, do we have the software update? The charger is on already, because I see only 12. I'm supposed to get 13. See the charger here. Okay, we connect it. Let me see here. You have to go through this. You have to do a couple of work on it. This is a new system. I'm gonna go to here. Go 1, 2, 15 amps, standard, charge. Supposed to charge now. It's supposed to have something here. Yes, now charging in progress. Let me see what I have there.
You have to try something. I want to get something.
Yeah, it's 1224. That's not bad. me see if you see this is Judder code. So I will go to support, finish with the Judder code first. Okay, I'm gonna click in this area here, start. IP Judder. I know the software, I'm gonna get it, this one. 6B, cancel this, let me see something else. Not 6B, maybe Pathfinder 2014-15 Pathfinder 4B. Open. Okay, next. So we have to do the routine as usual. Push the brake, gas pedal all, reverse, then click start. Now put this back, move your feet, turn the key off 2 seconds, 1, 2, 0. Now turn the key on. Now start. Success, right, complete. It may not be finished, it may not be clear, but I will show you now. Self-diagnose. Now erase, execute, close, perfect. Before you cannot clear it. Now we finish this. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back to the home page. Now I gotta go to program configuration, because you have a code for engine mass airflow meter sensor. So we're gonna see if there is any update for it. Charging system is 12.4, not bad. To 2015 Pathfinder. First I want to see if there is an update on the transmission. If there is, I will do it, then I will go to the next. If not, we're good to go. Confirm. Confirm, then we're gonna go to the transmission. We're gonna wait a little bit. 14.12 is not bad. I gotta go to the transmission first. First page. Transmission. If there is an update. Reprogram. Let's see what is there. Next page. One here. Next. There's an update. You see here. After programming, current number. So I'm gonna program this one. Battery charging is good. We need authentication from the company. Is this Japan? Yes. No, not Japan. Not Japan. US, Canada. US aftermarket. Let me write down my name and password. After you do this here, you say 10 minutes. The internet is good, so it's gonna take 10 minutes before I finish the transmission update. And then 10 minutes for engine update. Now I have 12.6, which is not bad. Charging system. Do I need to do anything extra than that? Yes. If the charging can go up to 14, it's not bad. But now we're gonna wait till we finish this. Okay, we finish programming the transmission. Now the next step, I will turn the key off, Turn the key on, start the okay. Turn the key on. Everything will be okay. My advice is to do your best to have the best tool that you are. If you're working on a lot of Nissan, get a Nissan tools. If you're working on a lot of BMW, get a BMW original tools. If you any job that you do a lot, get the original tools, because you don't have no headache a lot. Please subscribe, share and like. Okay, here is before and after. The top one is after, that one is before. Okay, confirm. Home. Now I'm gonna go back again. Let me turn the key off. Start the car. This one for the transmission. Now I'm gonna go back to the engine. I know it's a long to computer, but a long video, but we have to do it. This is now we gotta go to the engine. We gotta wait. And I tell you, you cannot do the programming while the engine is running. It will stop, you know, like it will show you. So this Pathfinder 2015, and the code is for the air flow meter sensor code. Okay, confirm. Same thing, but we already online. Charging system is for 13.95. This time I'll go to the engine. I wanna see if there is an update. I will do it. Stay with us, please. Reprogramming. Save. 2 times. And then click here, and then click next. Yes, there is an update also, but if you click next, it will not go because engine is running red. Why engine is running? Turn the key off. Now still another one. Why? Because engine is not running, but ignition is not on. You see here? So I'm gonna take 2 times ignition on, and now I click next. You can go to the next step. Now it may ask me to check the authentication, but I already have the authentication, so it's a 15 minutes. That's no good. The fan will kick on and it will pull down the voltage very low. So what I'm gonna do is either I have to wait. You're gonna get a message that something gonna be wrong if the voltage go below 12. You see here it's 12. I'll have a charger on. If the computer saw something below, it will shut down the system. So what you need to do, quick, either is stop to go back, or you're gonna start all over. You see, that's what I'm scared about it. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, the fan kick on for 2 minutes, draw the battery, but the fan stop because the software start coming in, and now let's say 15 minutes, so we have to wait till the computer is up to date, and we will come back. Thank you. Programming is done. It say 15 minutes, but it takes less than that. Now I'm gonna wait for it a little bit, as you see here. Turn the key off. 10 seconds. To on, then click next, click next, start the car, start, executing the idle air reader. It's gonna be complete here now in a few seconds. You see, he says it's complete. Now we're gonna go to next. You say complete, so what you need to do next here. Thank you. It's supposed to change. Now turn the key off for 10 seconds. On 2 seconds, off 10 seconds, on 2 seconds, off 10 seconds to reset it. So now I'm gonna put on 2 seconds, off 10 seconds. On 2 seconds, off 10 seconds. On 2 seconds, off 10 seconds, start the car. Next, turn it off. On, then clear all the codes. Here is everything. Confirm, home, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.